Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
All right, if you got one of the Chevy Impala, baby, and when you walk away or as soon as you open the car is gonna start making noise. You know the noise. You know it. Let me show you. So you got 3 door blenders. They are the same. So if you buy one and only one is bad, you can fix your problem. But if you hear your noise like on that side, and then that noise will turn off, and then you hear the noise on this side, and that one goes off, and then you hear the noise right here in the middle, then all 3 are bad. So you got 3 of them. One is gonna go, you see the white thing sticking out right there? This is for that's for your outside air. See that? Then you're gonna have another one. See the other white thing sticking out right there. Right there. That's where the other one go. And let me show you on the other side. All right, let me show you on this side. So this side, you remove these. Oh, and I'll show you how to get that drawer, access on that drawer. So this is held by a couple clips like this. You pop them out. Then this one is gonna be hiding right. You're gonna see it right in that corner right there. Right there, it's gonna be sitting. It's held with 2 screws. These are 5.5. So that will be 5.5. Can you see it? 5.5. Now, the way I got it out, let me go back on the other side. So the way I got it out is using this tool made by Milwaukee. This is the best stuff. And this is a 1/4 inch, and it's extended. So you got, you got more reach, easy reach. So that's how I got it out, just like that. Then the one back there, the same. I got it out with this without the extension. I used a little extension for this side. Now, this drawer to take it out. Don't forget, it's each plug for the thing. So, for the drawer to take it out, all you gotta do is, let me take it out for you. All right, so let's say the drawer is closed. So you're gonna open it. You're gonna come down here, you're gonna stick your hand, you're gonna push this down like that. Then the whole drawer just flip down. All right, here's the part number. And those are the sensor. 301, 3 new one. I hope this video helped you. Like always, please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.